G.I.A Automotive, welcome back to the channel. 2008 Dodge Caravan rear door handle removal part 2. So I got this this clip, this pesky clip. You gotta squeeze these little tabs on the side and pop it out through the base, through the hole where it goes through. And then once you do that, you swing this cable out completely, swing it out, and this comes out. I didn't mean to drop it, but you get the picture. That little rod goes through this plastic, and then the cable that's in the middle, goes through this split right here. You swing it up, and that's what opens your door. You see that? That's the handle. Anyways, like and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys on the next one, and everybody stay safe out there. God bless everybody.